Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change resolution settings in Fantasian Neo Dimension. So as you can see, I'm already in the main menu. I'm gonna head over to the config tab. Now I'm going to scroll down until I see resolution settings. I'm going to left click on the slider, then I'm going to pick whichever resolution I would like. I'm going to switch to this one, and as you see, all you need to do, just left click at the top. Let me switch back to my native one and just left click at the top left of your corner, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.